For 2019, Yamaha really wanted to make the R in their watercraft stand for something. We talked already about the GP 1800R and all the modifications they made to it. So what do we have to look forward to the 2019 VXR? Well, the VXR has always been kind of the unsung little brother of the GP, but now this year the DNA shared between the two is far more prominent. First and foremost, for the 2019 VXR, they've shaved 30 pounds out of this watercraft. That's 2 pounds lighter than the GP 1800R. Additionally, the GP 1800R and the VXR both share two new features: a very aftermarket inspired ride plate and a very aggressive traction inducing top loader intake grate. So what does a top loader intake grate do? An angled blade forces water up high into the top of the intake tunnel, contacting the top of the prop. What this gives you is forced traction, pulling down the back of the watercraft. This is similar to putting, say, a set of sticky, aggressive tires on a sports car. You're going to have far more grip, and you're going to be able to take turns and put more rider or driver input into that car or into the VXR. That new power to weight ratio, applied with the same GP 1800R hull, makes the VXR a naturally aspirated lightweight powerhouse. We've absolutely had a blast on the new VXR, throwing it through all the coves, tearing it through chop, chasing boat wakes. The watercraft does whatever you ask it to and more. The best thing about it though is that it will go exactly where you point it to go. That means direct rider input. And best of all, because it is the naturally aspirated 1.8 liter high output engine, you also get to benefit from some of the best fuel mileage in the industry. Carryovers for 2019 are the 18.5 gallon fuel tank, the waterproof storage underneath the rear seat, and the glove box and front storage remains at the same size. Other than that, the VXR stays as a true stripped down hot rod. You get on it, you get on the throttle, and off you go. Electric trim allows you to change the attitude of the watercraft. If you want to nose up while going through chop, you can. You want to nose down while getting into a corner and dropping a knee, it's the best thing to do. Priced at $12,299, the VXR comes in just $2,000 under the supercharged intercooled big brother, the GP 1800R. Sharing much of its DNA with the rest of the VX platform, you can take your VXR, and when you're not hot rodding it, you can tow a raft behind it, take the kids out. It's actually a good watercraft for the whole family. We find the VXR to be absolutely one of the quickest ways to put a smile on your face, and we definitely want you to check it out. Make sure to read our report on it on Watercraft Journal. That's www.watercraftjournal.com. I'm Kevin Shaw, and make sure to like this video, share it, and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any future episodes.